welcome back to my channel, and this is Umi, and if you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe. So now here we are at the secret place that is, this is the dreamland here. So many beach, everywhere you look there is sand. If you look down there is sand, and if you look straight there is the ocean, and I want you guys to guess. I'll give you a minute. And it is Maldives Maafushi. Maafushi is very popular among tourists. You can book various tours like the Vaavu Atoll, shipwreck, and many more, where you can see whale sharks, stingrays, dolphins, and many more amazing creatures. Now we're gonna do a walking tour of Maafushi. Let's explore now. It looks amazing. It's so beautiful. As you can see, the white sand, the greenery goes perfect together. As you can see, these are all the activities you can do, and from here you can as well go to other islands like Gulhi, Fulhidu, and other nearby islands. The island is not that huge. You can discover everything in 30 minutes and walk around the whole island. I forgot what I was going to say. What I was going to say? Here, and here we are at beach number 1, the Bikini Beach. Guys, Maafushi Island is the Maldives slice of heaven. It's amazing. Stunning beaches, vibrant coral reefs, the budget friendly. So it's very famous and crowded with tourists. The sea sound is so lovely. I love it. How about you guys? Do you love it? Comment down below. So this side of the island is a little bit like there's lots of seaweed and coral, dead corals everywhere around the beach. I think maybe because of the monsoon season, it rained and all the seaweed and corals came on the beach.
Umi. Umi.
Hi guys, now we are at the Maafushi prison. Let's go see now. It is the largest prison on the island and held numerous amount of political prisoners over the years. This place is having such a high security. Can you see? There's like 1,000 of CCTV cameras, high towers, and tall walls. It's kind of scary. Let's move on. After roaming around the whole island, I'm very hungry. We decided to have our dinner at this nearby restaurant. So now we are having our dinner and there is this restaurant right in front of the beach. So I bought a pizza. It looks amazing. I can't wait to eat it. So after having dinner, I went to my room, relaxed a little bit, and came back here to see if there's any fishes at nighttime. Yes, we finally found something, these small little crabs. Do you think they'll bite?
It's here. It's coming here.
I'll just follow it so you can film it, okay? Oh my gosh, we found a shark at the shore. This is the next day and the sunrise is amazing. Morning in Maafushi. There were so many stingrays at the shore. The stingrays are so small and cute. These are babies.
Yeah.
The Maldives morning is so beautiful. I love it here. You guys should come.
Record कर.
Oh my gosh, the poor fish will be someone's breakfast. What do you think? Who is it? He's waiting for his breakfast. He's too lazy to catch it himself. Guys, do you even know what is this? It's even breeding. Can you guys comment down below and tell me what is this?
No.
Can we give it?
Oh my gosh, there are so many. Oh, this one has been left out of the water. We have to save it.
In the ocean, he might die.
It's so small. It's a baby black tip shark. So cute and adorable. The busy morning started. We booked a Vaavu Atoll tour. If you want to see it, the link is in the description below. Sadly, the video ends here. I hope you guys see me on next fun adventure. Bye. See you again. And don't forget to like and subscribe. More adventures are coming up, so do not miss. I'll catch you later, guys. Bye.
Done.